In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect Pocket Option to MT5. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your Pocket Option account. Once you're inside the platform, look toward the top left corner and click on Trading. After opening the trading menu, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the option labeled Forex MT5. Once you see it, you'll have the choice to use either a real MT5 account or a demo MT5 account. Choose whichever one you want to connect. For this example, select one of the MT5 demo options. After clicking it, give it a moment to load. When everything has finished loading, you'll arrive at the Pocket Option trading interface. At the top left corner of the page, you'll notice the MT5 logo. Click on that logo to open the MT5 Web Terminal. The first time you open the web terminal, you'll be asked to connect your account. You'll see fields for your login and password. In most cases, the login is already filled in automatically. If it isn't, simply copy your login information and paste it into the login field. Next, you'll need your password. Your password is available on the page, and you can choose to reveal it if it's hidden. Once it's visible, copy the password and paste it into the password field. After you've entered it, you can hide it again if you want. Take a moment to make sure both the login and password are entered correctly. Once everything is filled in, click the Connect button. The web terminal will begin connecting your Pocket Option account to MT5. This only takes a few moments. After the connection is complete, the MT5 web terminal will open successfully, and you'll be connected to your Pocket Option account. At this point, the setup is finished, and you've successfully linked your Pocket Option MT5 account using the web terminal. If you ever need to repeat the process, simply return to the trading menu, open the Forex MT5 section, choose the MT5 account you want to use, click the MT5 logo to open the web terminal, enter your login and password if they're required, and select Connect. Once the connection is successful, you'll be able to access the MT5 web terminal that is linked to your Pocket Option account. And that's all there is to it. Those are the complete steps to connect Pocket Option to MT5 using the web terminal. If you follow each step in order, you'll have everything connected and ready to use in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching.